Let's start by closing our eyes gently and taking a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and slowly release. As you breathe in again, visualize a soft golden light filling your body with warmth and peace. With each exhale, imagine all your worries leaving, like dark clouds fading away. Feel the calm spread through you, lightening your entire being. Now, we'll focus on releasing tension from each part of our body. Let's begin at the top. Gently scrunch your forehead, hold, and release. Now move to your shoulders. Tense them up, hold, and release. Work your way down through your body, tightening and relaxing each muscle group. Notice how the tension melts away, leaving you lighter and more relaxed. Imagine you are standing by the shore, the waves gently washing up and retreating. Now, breathe in slowly, as if drawing the calmness of the ocean into your lungs. Hold, and as you breathe out, feel the wave pulling all your tension away. Repeat this rhythm, in sync with the ebb and flow of the ocean, letting each breath cleanse your mind and body. Let the peaceful energy of the sea surround you, calming your thoughts like a quiet breeze. Picture yourself lying on a soft cloud, floating effortlessly in the sky. It's light, fluffy, and carries you without any strain. As you rest here, let all your worries drift away, disappearing into the vast blue sky. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, like the cloud, free from the weight of stress. You are safe, supported, and at peace. Allow yourself to fully relax, embraced by the endless calm of the sky. Place your hand on your heart, feeling its steady rhythm. In this moment, connect with your heartbeat. Breathe slowly, syncing your breath with the pulse. Let your mind rest here on this gentle rhythm, knowing that as long as your heart beats, there's a quiet strength within you, guiding you through each moment. Feel that strength and let it wash away the stress of the day.